Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You need developer mode enabled, ADB working, and the CX APK downloaded. First, open the Meta Quest mobile app and toggle developer mode for your account. Once done, plug the Quest 3 into your PC with a USB-C cable and accept the PC pairing prompt on the headset. Make sure ADB is installed and running. Type a DB devices to confirm the headset shows up. Next, you'll use a DB install to push the CX APK. That starts the sideload process. On your PC, navigate to the folder with the CX APK and run a DB install CX. App, you should see success. If you see failure, uninstall any conflicting package with a DB uninstall com. CX, fill Explorer and try again. Once installed, disconnect and open the Quest apps menu. Enable unknown sources for the app if prompted. Then, in the headset, grant storage and file permissions. This allows CX to read internal and external storage. These steps let CX manage files. Now open CX from the Unknown Sources section and configure its default storage view. You can add FTP or SMB connections to transfer files over Wi-Fi, which avoids repeated USB connections. Tap Add Server and enter your PC details. If CX won't launch, make sure USB debugging is still enabled and that ADB drivers on PC are current. As a key troubleshooting tip, reinstall the APK after a full restart of both PC and headset. That often fixes permission or install.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.